In this video, I will show you how to report a blog on Blogspot. If you come across a blog on Blogger that violates community guidelines, you have the option to report it to Google for review. First, go to the blog you wish to report. In many cases, you may find a report option within the blog's menu, typically located in the header or footer. If this option is available, you can simply click on it and follow the on-screen instructions to submit your report. However, some blogs may not have a visible report option. If this happens, you will need to manually submit a report. Open a new browser tab and search for Report Blogger Violation, then press Enter. The first result should be a link titled Report Potential Blogger Violation from Google. Click on it and you will be taken to a page where you can submit a report. On this page, scroll down until you find the Report Content option. Click on it and you will see a field where you need to paste the URL of the blog or post you are reporting. After entering the URL, click on Report and a new window will open, displaying the blog or post you are about to report. Now, you need to select the reason for your report. Choose the most appropriate reason from the list of violations. Once you have selected a reason, click on Submit Report and your complaint will be sent to Google.